Hello class, this is my Java 1 week 3 uh, project video. I'll start by demonstrating my app. Uh, Here is the portrait view where we were supposed to show a spinner. So if you click on the spinner, whatever's selected, whatever's the first option, if you hit this more info button, image pops up with the name at the bottom. If you select another item, the name pops up with an image that corresponds to the item. Now for the landscape view, we had to show a list view. In this one, what I did, I didn't add the image, but when you click on it, a toast pops up saying it's, you clicked on that item, Cubase by Steinberg, Live by Ableton, and Pro Tools by Avid. So it's pulling the it's pulling the correct info from my array. Now to get into some of my code, this is my custom class that I created in a separate .java file. This just declares my variables. The string. I'm gonna have a company string, a DAW name string, and an image, which is an int. And this is the most difficult part for me, was figuring out how to do the different layouts for the list view and the spinner view. I had to actually do a lot of research to figure out the best way to do that. But you basically have to make two different layouts and have two main activities, or activity mods, what I call my main activity. You gotta have each of those in a layout, along with the the view for your spinner and the view for your list view. And it took a while for me to figure that out. But here's my main code. Here's my my activity class. Basically, what I did is down here I create my these are all the data for my class that I created. I have 1, 2, 3, basically 3 entries containing 3. It's my object containing 3 entries, and each entry contains a company name, and a DAW name, and an image. My images are in my drawable HDPI folder. And I take that array and I put it into a hash map, which puts it into my custom adapter class. And it puts it into the custom base adapter, and it gets the count of the item, it gets the item, and it gets the ID of the item with these methods right here. This is the method that gets the view. So if the orientation is 1, which is the portrait, it inflates the spinner, which is my spinner view, and the text views inside of the spinner view, which are spinner name and spinner company. It displays the name and the company that I want to display, and it fills up the spinner with all of the my object entries, my object items down at the bottom. And that's if, and else is if it's a list view, which is a landscape layout, and that inflates the list view in the same way with the two text views that I had inside. Um, I was trying to get the image, but I was having some problems, and it was causing my app to crash. Same for the spinner. So I just commented those out. And then down here is where I'm setting my adapters. Setting the adapter for the portrait and for the spinner, which is portrait, and for the list view. And it's also where I set my on click listener for my list view, which gets the whatever row is clicked. It gets the list name and the company name from that text view, and I put it inside of a toast here, and so it'll pop up and display the corresponding name of the item that was clicked. Uh, and this is for my spinner view. So when I click it, excuse me. So when I click the button, it displays that's on the image view, and the text you have at the bottom will display the image of the corresponding item that was clicked by getting the first visible position, and basically finding the view by ID here. The same as it sets the text using the same method. So that's about it for my code. Challenging week trying to pull all this together. Did a lot of research online, but I finally got it working. So this is Michael Bain, Java 1 Week 3. Thanks for watching.